Number 1, pieces of rock, minerals, and other organic materials that are deposited in layers are called A. Sediments, B. Unconformities, C. Igneous rocks, D. Fossils. Number 2, which of the following commonly replace the bodies of dead organisms in the process of fossilization? A. Igneous rocks, B. Liquids, C. Sedimentary rock, D. Minerals. 3. If a fault or an intrusion cuts across layers of rock, it is always blank than the layers of rock. It is always older than, the same age as, or younger than the layers of rock. Number 4, what is faulting? A. Cracks through rock layers caused by earthquakes. B. Blaming someone else for your problems. C. Rock layers being tilted upwards. D. Rock layers being eroded and covered by others. Number 5, sediments can be laid down in layers by a process called A. Deposition, B. Compaction, C. Folding, D. Cementation. Use the stratigraph on the board to answer the next 7 questions. Number 6, fossils can be found in all layers except layer D. How many layers are sedimentary or metamorphic rock? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, or D. 7. Number 7, of the following events, which happened most recently? It would be the youngest. A. Volcano, B. Uplift, C. Erosion, D. Unconformity. Number 8, out of the following events, which happened first? It would be the oldest. A. Volcano, B. Erosion, C. Uplift. 9, under which layer is the unconformity found? A. Layer A, B. Layer D, C. Layer B, or D. Layer E. Number 10, if the limestone is 30 million years old, how old is the obsidian? A. Between 35 and 40 million years old. B. Older than 30 million years old. C. Younger than 30 million years old. D. It's impossible to determine. Number 11, how many events are represented in the stratigraph? A. 9, B. 10, C. 11, or D. 12. Number 12, was lava or magma ever found in this area? A. Yes, B. No. 13, which of the following definitions is correct for relative dating? A. Going to the movies with a fossil. B. Dating a rock layer by comparing it with other features. C. Getting the exact age of a rock layer by using radioactive decay. D. The oldest layers are on top. 14. Which of the following is the correct definition for the law or principle of superposition? A. Rock layers are uplifted by plate tectonics. B. New rock layers are buried under older ones. C. The older rock layers are always underneath newer rock layers. D. Layers can be eroded and then replaced by other layers after uplift. Number 15. Seashell fossils found on a mountaintop would most likely indicate that the organisms lived before the mountain formed. A. True, B. False. 16. What do we call the wearing away of rock layers over time? A. Deposition, B. Condensation, C. Faulting, D. Erosion. 17. An A. Intrusion, B. Extrusion, C. Unconformity, or D. Erosion basin is where rock layers are eroded away and then covered with new layers. 18. When rock layers are tilted up at an angle, it is called A. Tilting, B. Uplift, C. Faulting, D. Layering. 19. Fossils found in older rock layers will be more similar to today's organisms than fossils found in newer rock layers. True or false? A. True, B. False. Number 20. Sediments are always deposited in flat layers, but can be tilted, bent, and twisted. A. True, B. False.